This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the essential values, the radius or diameter and the units you'll use. Once you have r or d, pick the appropriate formula immediately. C equals 2 pi if you measured radius, or C equals pi if you measured diameter. Make sure the measurement is in 1 unit so the answer matches. If you only have diameter, have it to find r. If you only have r, double it to get d. Start calculating now, don't delay with extra setup. Now compute the circumference step by step. Plug numbers into the chosen formula and perform the multiplication. If you need a quick estimate, use pi equals 3. 14,159 or 22/7 for a rougher value, use the decimal pi for precise results. Multiply 2 by pi and then by r, or multiply pi by d, keeping track of significant digits. Once done, carry extra decimal places complete the task by rounding the circumference to the precision you need and writing the correct units beside the number. Make sure the final value matches expected size. Small circles give small circumferences, large ones give large numbers. If something looks wrong, check the original measurement and unit consistency first. Remeasure the radius or diameter if needed. As a troubleshooting tip, if your circumference is wildly different, verify you didn't mix radius and diameter or misplace a decimal when multiplying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.